So exactly one client paid for my flights towards Germany, towards France, towards Saint-Tropez. We're also going towards the Antwerps, and yeah, I'm going to explain how I can live this lifestyle, how I exactly choose in this lifestyle so I can travel. I live in Dubai, and I can go with my clients and have an amazing life experience and don't need to pay for any hotels, flights, whatsoever, and still be around and travel as a video editor, as a filmmaker, as a growth partner, as a YouTube agency. So I'm actually not in my normal environment. I'm back in Germany because we are actually right now on this trip. This is the place where I grown up, and this video is literally pure information. So when you cannot stick towards this video because you have a attention span like a goldfish, then this is not the right video for you, because I'm literally going to sit here and give all my information away so you can achieve your goals. So I'm going to explain exactly how I went from a video editor, which made like $2,000 per month, or like learned video editing in my home here, where I'm actually sitting here in my garden, in our garden, in my family's garden. How I learned video editing as a 13 years old kid, towards moving to Dubai and making $10,000 per month. I'm going to explain the whole journey, and that I can fly around with my clients and they pay for my flights and so on and so forth. So step one, video editing, learn video editing. The second step was going from a normal video editor towards a growth agency partner focusing on YouTube. So this is also what we are teaching in Creator Scale. You find the first link in the description. And the next step was then I focused on high paying niches, meaning niches where those clients which I can reach for my clients with YouTube, I pay them a lot of money. And in Dubai, I have amazing clients where we like fly towards the palm and go towards the palm and shoot amazing videos together. But right now also we are going towards France, because the same clients, they have, for example, an event there, or we have some shootings in their headquarters in Hamburg, where I'm actually also from. And so I chosen the right clients in the right niche, and they obviously also need some video services. So I'm saying, yeah, sure, let's do it. They're pure information videos like we are doing them right now here, but they don't want to record. They literally just want to have the thing done. They want to have an expert on their side. I'm there for them. I tell them exactly what to shoot, and we have these trips together. We build these YouTube channels. We acquire customers, and I film the whole journey, and we have amazing content, and I have an amazing experience. And this is the whole thing what I like about this model, because it's actually fun and you make a lot of money and you get to travel. When you have any questions, also put them down in the description. I'm interested. What do you think? I will answer them obviously personally. So yeah, this is how my clients pay for my flights. This is how I can live in Dubai and get to have like a handful of clients which pay me between $3,000 and $4,000 per month each, and travel kind of the world with my clients with content. Again, if you want to learn the same, I have a free video explaining exactly how to get towards $10,000 per month with exactly this model. And if you have any more questions, comment them down below, and we will for sure see each other in another video. Bye-bye.